Tonight I'm just chilling in the bath with my rubber duckies. You think there are just toys? Nope, there are more than that. Did you know these ducks have been around since the early 1900s? People love them for being bright and cute. Now there are classics. For 30 years, rubber ducks have been on the top 20 gifts worldwide. The Guinness World Records even has a collection of more than 2,000 ducks of all shapes and colors. Some even look like famous people. Back in 2013, artist Florentine Hoffman made a massive rubber duck, like 16 meters tall. It traveled around the world, making people happy at different events. That was awesome! Who would have thought a little duck would become a pop culture icon? They show up in movies and music videos. As a creative person, I found inspiration in these toys for a new mini project. Today I'm making my own collection of rubber ducks. They will be in different sizes, with the smallest one being as tiny as a fingernail. My mini buddy will love it. Don't you think? Time to bring these ducks to life on my photopolymer 3D printer. You can find a cool model online, so I'm hitting print. Printing them in a bunch of size straight off. Gotta mix it up beyond just colors. Once they're printed, I give them a good rinse and zap them under the UV lamp. Then it's a part removal and a little smoothing action. Using all sorts of colored resin for this batch. Yellow ducks get a pass on paint. The rest, they're getting primed up in layers. Now comes the fun part, splashing these guys with vibrant paints. While the paint is getting dry, I'll tell you about my miniature bathroom, where my little chick is gonna have fun with the duckies. Almost everything here is handmade by me. I made it from scratch. The whole thing took a couple of months. What's printed here? Washing machine, toilet, towel dryer, mixer, sockets, electric toothbrush, comb and a lot of little stuff. And the bathtub itself. I wanted just such a corner jacuzzi. I took a 3D model of real-size bath for interior visualization, reduced it to a 1-inch scale and printed. And it turned out like this, exactly as I wanted. Once dry, it's all about adding those eyes and beaks. Time to unleash my creative side, going street style with graffiti vibes and a hint of pop art. And for the final touch, I'm jazzing them up with nail art stickers. Cut them, soak them, Stick them with wood and parquet lacquer. After everything's dried up nicely, a final coat of lacquer for the polished finish. Voila! Done and dusted! Here it is, my collection of art ducks. Now finally my little buddy can enjoy a full bath just like me. Which duck is your favorite? What other toys would you like me to make in miniature? Drop me a comment and see you in the next episode.